Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this here. Oh yeah, VCLOO Ice Cube Machine. This is a small ice maker machine. It's a portable ice cube maker. 12 kilogram in 24 hours. No prop for it. With 8 ice cubes in 6 minutes. 2 ice cube sizes are available. We've here a mini ice cube machine with a self-cleaning function. For home, for kitchen, for camping, for party, for RV, of course. The ice cube machine produces 8 ice cubes in just 6 up to 9 minutes. And up to 12 kilogram in 24 hours. So that can be your next business, eh? It offers 2 ice cube sizes, S for small and L for large, to choose from. And it has an 0.8 liter water tank and a 0.45 kilogram ice container. With just one push of one button, you can enjoy fresh, ready-to-use ice cubes in a few minutes. Its compact design, from 28 to 26 to 20 centimeter, it fits seamlessly into any environment. It is wide in only roundabout 5 kilogram, and it is equipped with a carrying handle. This small ice cube machine can be easily moved as well, transported and cleaned without help. This is either for small households, for kitchen, for the weekend meetings, for motorhomes, for camping trips, and occasions entertainment. This ice cube machine is equipped with a powerful jet quad compressor, so we can enjoy fresh ice cream at any time without being bothered by annoying noise. Of course, it's not an ice cream, it is an ice cube, but you can smash it. After this, you have smashed ice that can be to a cream. Or, of course, you have nice flavored slashes with that, because it can be slash. Yeah, that's possible. You can have a big possibility of delicious stuff after you producing just ice cubes here. And, yeah, fresh ice at any time without being bothered by annoying noise. It's smart indicators for low water level, and the full ice container shows us when the water needs to be refilled or the ice has to be removed, of course. The clear LED allows us to easily monitor the ice production and the level of it. It's eliminated trouble of manual cleaning. We just press the on-off button for 5 seconds to start the automatic cleaning function of that ice cube machine. It effectively removes the residues and impurities and ensures that the ice cube remains fresh and clean at all times. Of course, really nice. The ice storage area of the small ice cubes machine has no cooling function. The finished ice cubes should be used as soon as possible, or it placed on a freezer compartment for storage. The ice cubes produced for the first time will be thin, transparent, and small. That's normal. After 3 up to 5 ice production cycles, it will gradually normalize, of course. And such a nice ice cream maker, with no ice cream, of course. It is an ice cube maker, makes a nice ice cubes for us, of course. Ice cube are so delicious for different stuff, like cocktails. Or you like to store fish and meat or something else, use ice cubes, yeah? Yeah, of course, that's possible. And of course, I told you, you can smash it. Then you can have other styles of slush ice or crushed ice. And in laboratories, you can use ice cube. In the school, you can use it. And as well, you can use it at a cocktail party at home, for example. This is all possible with that machine here. This is easy. This is a ice cube machine. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel.